Hello everyone. Yesterday I finished this up to exercise 7.3 of coordinate geometry in 10th class textbook, that is 7th chapter. First Roman, that is area of a triangle whose vertices was given in the first Roman. So we finished up to here in part 6. So in this part 7 I explained from this second sum. Okay, so here second sum, look at here, find the value of k. We have to find out this k values in each and every sum for which the points are collinear. What do you mean by this collinear? I said to you in the part 6 means the collinearity which proves when the area of a triangle which gives 0, when the area of a triangle which gives 0 is nothing but the collinear. Okay, so we have to take that condition while find out this k. Okay, the first sum, look at here, second Roman in exercise 7.3. okay, so here in the second Roman the first sum was given that the points of collinear are A 7 minus 2, B 5 1, C 3 k. So let us take the values as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, the collinearity condition was so area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of x1 7 of 1 minus k plus x2 5 of k minus of minus 2 plus x3 3 of minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of 7 minus 7k. We are multiplying with each 7 into 1 7, 7 into k 7k plus 5 of k minus of minus plus 2 plus 3 of minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, that is equal to 0. That implies 1 by 2 of 7 minus 7k plus 5 into k 5k, 5 2's 10 plus of minus 3 is 9, that is equal to 0. We just take this 2 into other side. That implies 7 plus 10 minus 9 constants we took one side, right? So my minus 7k plus 5k is equal to 0 into 2. That implies 7 plus 10 17, 17 minus 9 8. Okay, 8 minus 7k plus 5k minus 2k, that is equal to 0. That implies 8 is equal to 2k. Minus 2k, it becomes plus 2k. So k has to keep there itself, 2 just bring in the denominator. So when you cancel this, you will get k is equal to 4. That's it. Here we finish the first one in second round. So in that second one, you just do this one. Okay, in second sum you just do by your own. This one, second sum. I'll tell this third one. Here we have 2 k's, no? So I'll explain this one. We just find out this as usual. Okay, so third sum, that is given that the points of collinear are A k comma k, B 2 3, C 4 minus 1. Let us take the points as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. The condition for collinear is area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of x1 k of y2 3 minus of minus 1 plus x2 2 of y3 minus 1 minus k plus x3 4 of y1 k minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of k of 3 plus 1 minus of minus plus minus 2 minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. That implies half modulus of k of 4 plus of minus minus 2 plus of minus minus, this is in brackets, no, plus of minus minus plus of minus 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 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. That implies 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. 0 into 2. So 4k plus 4k, 8k. 8k minus 2k. 8k minus 2k. Here minus 12 minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies 6k minus 14, that is equal to 0. That implies 6k is equal to 14. K is equal to 14 by 6. When you cancel this, 7 by 3. K is equal to 7 by 3. It is the final answer of this question. Okay. So the next sum, look at here. Here we finished the second Roman. Now it is time to solve this third sum. Find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides. Midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are. Find the ratio of the area of a to the area of the given triangle. So given triangle vertices are this one. So first of all, you just imagine the given points are vertices of the triangle A, B, C. So A which is given 0, minus 1. B which was given 2, 1. C 0, 3. Okay. Here we have 3 vertices of a triangle. Then we have to find out the midpoints of this. Midpoints of this. The midpoint of BC you will get D. The midpoint of AC you will get E. Suppose we are taking the midpoint of AB, we have F. When you join these 3, you will get another triangle. So we have to find out the ratio of this given triangle with the midpoints triangle. Okay, the ratio of this given triangle with the midpoints triangle. So given that the vertices of a triangle, the vertices of the big triangle, okay, so that is 0, minus 1, B 2, 1, C 0, 3. Here we have the vertices of a triangle. Here we have the vertices of a triangle. First of all, we have to find out the midpoints of this BC, AC and AB. Then only we will get these midpoints, right? That is DEF. Then after that we have to find out the area of this big triangle and area of the triangle which is formed with the midpoints. Okay. So first of all, I want to know this midpoint of AB. That implies F I am taking. Okay. That implies what is AB? A is 0, minus 1. B is 2, 1. Here I am taking x1, y1, x2, y2. So the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That implies 0 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2. That implies 2 by 2, 0 by 2. That implies when you cancelled this 1 comma 0, it is the point of F. Okay, so second one, the midpoint of BC, that is I took D. Okay, what is B? 2, 1. C is 0 comma 3, x1 y1 x2 y2. That implies x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That implies 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. That implies 2 by 2, 4 by 2. When you cancelled this, you will get 1 comma 2. That is D. That is D. Next, in the third sum, midpoint of AC, that is equal to E. A is 0 minus 1. C is 0, 3. I am taking these points as x1, y1, x2, y2. That implies x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That implies 0 plus 0 by 2, comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2. That implies 0 by 2, 2 by 2. So it is 0. Here when we cancelled this 0 comma 1. Here it is the point of E. Here we got these 3 points D, E, F. D, E, F. Okay. So now we have to find out this area of the triangle, given triangle. Area of the given triangle ABC is A is 0 minus 1, B is 2, 1, C is 0, 3. So that implies here I am taking these points as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So half modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. That implies substitute these all. So 0 of y2 1 minus 3 plus x2 2 of y3 3 minus of minus 1 plus x3 0 of y1 minus 1 minus 1. That implies half modulus of 0 into minus 2, 0, plus 2 of 3 plus 1 plus 0 of minus 2. That implies, so half modulus of 0 plus 2 fours plus 0. That implies half modulus of 0 plus 0, 0. So 2 fours, 8. That implies 8 by 2. That we got 4 square units. Just remind this. Okay. Now area of midpoints of triangle DEF. So what is D? Look at here. What is D? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2. What is E? What is F? What is E? 0, 1. 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let us take the area formula. Half modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. That implies half modulus of x1 1 of 1 minus 0 plus x2 0 of 0 minus 2 plus x3 1 of 2 minus 1. That implies 1 by 2 of 1 of 1 plus 0 of minus 2. It becomes 0 plus 1 of 1. That implies 1 by 2, 1 plus 0 plus 1. That implies 2 modulus 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2. You will get 1 square units. So the ratio of given triangle ABC and midpoints triangle area. Okay, that implies, so area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF. That implies 4 is to 1. That's it. So here we got 4, here we got 1. So area of triangle ABC is 4, area of triangle DEF is 1. That is 4 is to 1. Here we finished this sum. Okay. So the next sum is find the area of a quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order. Okay. So fourth sum in the same exercise 7.3, that is the vertices of a quadrilateral. The vertices of a quadrilateral are, so A -4 -2, B -3 -5, C 3 -2, D 2 3. What is quadrilateral? The 4 lines we have. Here we have the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay. Already we did this example. We did the same model in example. That is A, B, C, D we have. So we have, when you cut into a diagonal, we have 2 triangles. That is, first triangle is ABD and the second triangle is BCD. Okay. So when you do this area of a triangle for this one and this one, after that you just add these two, you will get the final answer. Okay, final answer. So first of all, area of, from figure area of triangle ABD. What is A? -4 -2. What is B? -3 -1. What is D? 2 3. Let us take these values as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. That implies half modulus of x1 of x2, that is y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. That implies half modulus of x1 minus 4 of y2, that is minus 5 minus y3 3 plus x2 minus 3 of y3 3 minus y1 minus 2 plus x3 2 of y1 minus 2 minus y2 minus of 5. That implies half modulus of minus 4 minus 8 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 plus of minus minus 3 of 3 plus 2 minus of minus plus, no, so plus 2 of minus 2 minus of minus plus 5. That implies half modulus of minus plus 4 8s 32 minus 3 of 5 plus 2 of 3. That implies half modulus of 32 minus 15 plus 6. That implies, okay, so half modulus of 32 plus 6, 38 minus 15. That implies half modulus of, so when you subtract this, 3 2 23, that implies 23 by 2 square units. It is the area of the first triangle. Okay, area of the second triangle now. Second, area of BCD. That implies, what is B? What is B? Minus 3 minus 5. What is C? 3 minus 2. What is D? 2 comma 3. So here I am taking it as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Half modulus of x1 of y2 minus y3 plus x2 of y3 minus y1 plus x3 of y1 minus y2. That implies half modulus of y2 minus 2 minus 3 plus x2 of 3 of y3, 3 minus of minus 5 plus x3 of 2 of y1 minus 5 minus y2 of minus 2. That implies half modulus of minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 of 3 plus 5 plus 2 of minus 5 plus 2. That implies half modulus of minus plus 3 5 15 plus 3 of 8 plus 2 of minus 3. That implies half modulus of 15 plus 3 8s 24 plus of minus minus 6. That implies half modulus of, when you add these two, 39 minus 6. That implies half modulus of, when you subtract this, 33. That is equal to 33 by 2 square units. So now finally area of a quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. That implies the first one, area of ABD. How much we got? 23. 23 by 2 plus area of BCD, 33 by 2. When you do this LCM for these two, 23 plus 33. Why? Because numerators are same. That implies when you add these two, 56. So by 2. So when you cancel this, 28 square units. That's it. It is area of quadrilateral. It is area of quadrilateral. Okay. So here we finished this fourth Roman also. So after that we have fifth Roman. Look at here. Find the area of a triangle. We have to find out the area of a triangle formed by the points by using of Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Yesterday I said no. Heron's formula is this one. A is equal to square root of S of S minus A of S minus B of S minus C, where S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. What is A, B, C? These are the sides. How to find out these sides? We have to find out these sides by using of this distance formula. Okay, here he was given that is the vertices of a triangle. So first of all we have to draw the picture of this ABC, and we have to find out this AB, BC, CD or CA by using of the distance formula. Then after you will get A, small b, small c. Okay. So look at here, the fifth Roman, that is the first one, given that the vertices of a triangle ABC. Here we have a triangle that is ABC. By using of this Heron's formula, we have to do the distance between this AB, distance between this BC, distance between this AC. Then you will get small a, small b, small c. Okay, distance formula. So vertices are A, 1, 1. It is better to do this second sum. Okay, I'll do this second sum. You just do this one. It is very easier for you. Okay, I'll doing this one. Okay, now I am showing the problem of this second Roman. Okay, so 2, 3. So second. So B minus 1, 3. C 2 minus 1. Okay, so first of all, distance between AB. Distance between AB. A is 2, 3. B is minus 1, 3. That implies square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That implies here I am taking x1 y1 x2 y2. I just substitute these values in this. Minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 3 minus 3 whole square. That implies square root of minus 3 whole square plus 0 square. That implies square root of even number is there in the power, so minus it becomes plus, so 3 square means 9, 0 square means nothing, that is equal to 3 units. Okay, so first one, that implies here 3 is nothing but AB no C, so C you will get 3 units, C is 3 units. Okay, next distance between BC, B is minus 1 3, C is 2 minus 1. Just I am taking these points as usual, x1 y1 x2 y2. That implies distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That implies square root of 2 minus of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. That implies square root of 2 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 whole square. That implies square root of 3 square plus 4 square. That implies square root of 9 plus 16. That implies square root of 25 is equal to 5 units. It is, so you will get A is equal to 5 units. Okay. So next sum, that is third one, that is distance between AC. Distance between AC. A is 2, 3. C is 2 minus 1. x1 y1 x2 y2. What is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That implies square root of 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 1 minus 3 whole square. So that implies square root of 0 square plus minus 4 whole square. That implies minus 4 whole square means 16, that is equal to 4 square units. That is C is equal, C already we given, that is B. B is equal to 4 units. So A, B, C we got. From above, A is equal to 5 units, B is equal to 4 units, C is equal to 3 units. So yes, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. That is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 3 by 2. That implies 9 plus 3, 12 by 2. When you cancel this, 6 units. 6 units. By Heron's formula, the area of a triangle ABC is equal to square root of S of S minus A of S minus B of S minus C. That implies square root of 6 of 6 minus 5 of 6 minus 4 of 6 minus 3. That implies square root of 6 of 1, 2, 3. That implies square root of 6 into 6. That implies square root of 6 square, square root cancel, 6 square units. That's it. Here it is final answer for you in this, for this fifth Roman second sum. You just do this first one. Okay, in the fifth Roman you just do this first one. Next we have the next topic is slope of the triangle, slope of the straight lines. So for that triangle, for that there is particularly there is no derivation, but the condition how we are getting the slope formula. Okay, let us check that. In page number 185, you just look after here to before entered into the slope of the formula, slope of the, look at here, slope of the line joining with 2 points. Okay, before entered this topic, you just look after here, plot these points on a coordinate axis and join them. So here the two sums we have which gives a straight line which is not y. Okay, which is not. The first one, look at here, 1 comma 2 minus 3 comma 4 7 comma minus 1. We just plot these points in a graph. When you assume that, you just look up here on x-axis and y-axis. You just check these points in graph. Okay, just I am doing here itself. So it is origin, the x-axis and the y-axis, where these two are intersecting at each other, that is origin, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upwards. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay. So look after this. 1, 2. Just for a activity I am doing here. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here we have 1 point. So next -3, 4. -3, 4. Here we have another point. -3, 4. Here we have another point. Okay. The next point. The next 7, -1. 7, -1. Here we have. Okay. 7, -1. When you join this all with the scale, if it gives a straight line or not. Okay. Look after here. You just check with the scale. Okay. The next one is 3, 5. 3, -5. 3, -5. Here we have the next point. Okay. Next 5, -1. 5, -1. Here we have. Okay. 2, 1. 2, 1. Here we have the next one. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here we have another point. Is this point which gives a straight line? Is this point which gives a straight line? The first one which gives a straight line. The first one which gives the straight line. You just check this with the graph. Then only you will get the clear answer. Okay. So you just check this graph. So which gives a straight line? The first one which gives a straight line. Which is not. The second one which is not. Why? Why? Because the points all are here all the points are in a straight line which makes a collinear. The first one which is collinear. Okay. So in the second sum, look at here. Think and discuss. No need to write in your notes. This sum no need to write in your notes. Okay. Next, think and discuss. Is y is equal to x plus 7 represent a straight line? Yes. Why? Because it is a linear equation. In polynomials 3rd chapter, I explained the graphs of these linear equations. You just check that polynomials chapter. Okay. Before I explained to you polynomials, in that polynomials we check this linear polynomials. It is a linear polynomial. For the linear polynomials, what is the graphical representation? Straight line. Draw the line with on the coordinate plane. We just do this on a graph by using of that polynomials linear. Okay. At which points does the line intersect y-axis? Okay. At which point the y-axis, the line which intersects on y-axis. How much angle does it make? Which angle? With x-axis. Discuss with your friends. It is an activity you just do with your friends. It is just activity. You just first take the graph and make the x-axis and y-axis and scale, and take this linear equation, and you just make the one table. Y is equal to x plus 7. Just an activity. Y is equal to x plus 7. X comma y. Like that, you just take the table. Okay. Make the table and form a straight line. When it gives a straight line, yes, it will give the straight line. Why? Because it is a linear equation, and where it touches x-axis. Look after here. When I am taking this y is equal to 0 plus 7, that is equal to 7, 0 comma 7. When I am taking this minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 plus 7, that is equal to 5. That is minus 2 comma 5. When I am taking this minus 4, y is equal to minus 4 plus 7, that is equal to 3. Here we have minus 3, 5, 4 comma 3. Just like this, that you have to make the graph. So just represent these points here. When you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like this, 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 0 comma 7. So here we have one point, minus 2 comma 5. Here we have another point, minus 4 comma 3. Here we have another point. you just join these all with x-axis and y-axis. Okay, where this point was intersecting at x-axis, you just identify that is 7, up towards 7 meters. Okay, here where it joins, so you just look after what is the angle of this one and what is the angle of this one, and discuss with your friends. Do this activity by your own, and it is an activity to find out the slope. Slope means, in past so many times we observed this kind of slides. So in which slide you will fall fast? So in the second, obviously it is second. Why? Because here the angle is very high, here the angle is very low. Just approximately the angle is 30 degrees here, and here the angle is almost 50 degrees above. So if the angle of the slope, if the angle of this slide is very high, then we will fall faster. Okay, so just of this, look at here the angles of these slides. For this we call it as slope. For this we call as slope. It gives that is the formula for the slope is change in y by change in x. Here look after here. So here we have 2 points, that is x1 y1, x2 y2. When you join this x on x-axis and y-axis, you will get the here from this to this x2, this is x1. x2 minus x1, you will get this distance. Here y2 minus y1, you will get the exchange of this y. So that is the slope formula. Here m is the symbol which is used for a slope. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here it is a right angle triangle, then because we are taking it as a tan theta. So m have two formulas, that is m is equal to tan theta. If angle it was given, then we have to find out the slope by m is equal to tan theta formula. If the vertices, if the sides, if the points which was given on for a slope, then we have to find out the slope by using of this y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula. So for slope we have two formulas here. Okay, by using of that formula, next we have example 23. Example 23 in page number 188. Given that the end points of a line are a is equal to 2 comma 3, b is equal to 4 comma 5. Slope of a line, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That implies x1 y1, x2 y2. So y5 minus 3 by 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 by 2. When you cancel this one, slope is m is equal to 1. That's it. That is the final answer. Okay, just like this you have to do this. Okay, you just do with the same formula and try this. Look after here. Try this. Find the slope of AB with the points lying on. The first point is, try this. In the same pace, the first one is, so A is 2 comma 1, B is 2 comma 6. So what is slope? Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1 y1, x2 y2. That implies 6 minus 1, 2 minus 2. That is equal to 4 by 0. That is not defined. Why? Because here x2 x1 values are same. So not defined. Okay. Here second one. When the 0 which is in numerator, then it becomes 0. If the 0 is in denominator, that were not defined. Okay. Next, A is equal to minus 4 comma 2. B is equal to minus 4 comma minus 2. Here look at here. Slope. Here x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus of minus 4. That implies minus 4 by minus 4 plus 4. So when you cancel this, minus 4 by 0, that is equal to not defined. Why it was happening like this? Why? Because here the x coordinates are same in both the points. Here also x coordinates are same in both the sides. Okay, so if the x coordinates are same in 2 points, then the point which lies on y axis, if the points which lies on the same, which is parallel to x axis, okay, that is 2 2. So when look at here, parallel to y axis, okay, parallel to y axis. Why these are parallel to y axis? Why? Because the x coordinates are same. The x coordinates are same. So look after this. Third one, a of -2 8, b of -2 -2. Here also the x coordinates are same. So slope which becomes y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x1 y1, x2 y2. That implies -2 minus 8, -2 minus of -2. That implies -10 by -2 plus 2, which is -2 minus 10 by 0, that is not defined. So from above, all the points in each sum, the y coordinates are same. Hence, the line segment, the points of line segment formed is parallel to y axis. Here the slope is not defined. Okay, that is the solution for this. Try this. Just like this, think and discuss. Think and discuss. So look after here, given that the points of a line segment are a 3, 2, b -8, 2. Here x1 y1, x2 y2. Here the y coordinates are same. Okay, slope y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So that implies y2 minus y1, 2 minus 2 by -8 minus 3, 0 by -11, that is equal to 0. So here slope is 0. Slope is 0. Okay. So if the points which is here, the points which is parallel to x-axis, here from above the points makes the line segment parallel to x-axis, okay. Hence here slope is 0. That's it. That is the answer for this. Think and discuss. Okay. For next example 24. Example 24. Here we have to find out this x. The slope is given as 2. The slope which was given as 2. Given that the points of line segment are P 2, 5, Q x, 3, and slope is 2, x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What is slope? 2 is equal to y2 3 minus 5 by x minus 2. That implies 2 of x minus 2. That is equal to minus 2. That implies 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. That implies 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 4. That is equal to 2x is equal to 2. That is equal to x is equal to 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by using of this slope formula. I just remind that here if the line segment you just remind that if the line segment of AB is parallel to y-axis, then slope is, sometimes he was asking these questions in half marks. Okay, if the line segment AB is parallel to y-axis, then slope is not defined. Just remind this and write in textbook itself. Here, if the line segment of AB is parallel to x-axis, then slope is 0. Just write this one. These two are very important. Okay, very important. If the line segment AB is parallel to y-axis, then the slope is not defined. If the line segment which is parallel to x-axis, the slope is 0. Okay, so you just remind these points. So next, here we have exercise, the last exercise. It is the last part for you for the coordinate geometry. So we have 7 parts in this for this coordinate geometry. If you got any doubts, you can ask me in the personal. So find the slope of the line segments. We have to find out the slopes of all these one. Okay, I'll tell 4. You just do 4. Okay, you just do these simple sums. Okay, remaining all I'll tell. The first one, in the first Roman, second sum is 0, 0. Next one, root 3, 3. Let us take this as given that the points as AB, x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope formula. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That implies 3 minus 0. Okay, root 3 minus 0. That implies 3 by root 3. By rationalization. This rationalization is there in your 9th class. Okay, square root cancelled. 3 root 3 by 3. 3 cancelled. Root 3 is the answer. So next is third sum. Third sum, 2a 3b. A minus b. Let us take these points as a, b. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope of AB. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is equal to y2 minus b minus 3b. A minus 2a. That is equal to minus 4b by minus a. Minus cancelled. 4b by a. It is the answer for this question. You just look after y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is minus b minus, in the formula it is there, minus 3b by x2. x2 is a minus 2a. Minus 2 have minus signs. Minus b minus 3b minus 4b by a minus 2a. Okay, minus a cancelled. Minus cancelled. 4b by a. The next one, fifth one, that is a of minus 1.4 minus 3.7. B of minus 2.4, 1.3. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That implies, so y2 is 1.3 minus y1 is minus of minus 3.7 by x2 is minus 2.4 minus of minus 1.4. That is equal to 1.3 plus 3.7 by here minus 2.4 plus 1.4. That implies when you add this 3 plus 7, 0. 0.1 we have, so 5 by. So 2.4 minus 1.4, 1. Minus 1. That is equal to minus 5 by 1. That is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Minus 5 is slope of AB is equal to minus 5. Okay, the last sum in this, that is 7th sum. A minus 3 1 by 2 comma 3. B minus 7 comma 2 1 by 2. A x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, So that is slope of AB is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That implies y2 is 2 1 by 2 minus y1 is 3 by minus 7, x2 is minus 7 minus of minus 3 1 by 2. These are in mixed fractions, no? We have to make them proper fraction. 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 minus 3 by minus 7 minus of minus plus 2 3 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 2. So just do LCMs at the denominator and numerator. So 2 5 minus 2 3 6 by 2 minus 14 plus 7. That implies minus 1 by 2 by minus 7 by 2. So that implies minus 1 by 2 into reciprocal of this minus 2 by 7. 2 to cancel. Minus of minus plus. So 1 by 7. Slope of AB is 1 by 7. That's it. Here we finished this exercise also. You just do this the remaining 4 sums. It is very easier. Okay. Here we finished this coordinate geometry in 10th class textbook of this 7th chapter. Okay. Next in the next I'll explain the one more important chapter of this 10th class AP and Telangana mathematics. Okay. Here we finished this coordinate geometry. Thank you.